Good morning class 6. Today we are going to complete question answers of chapter 5, that is grouping materials of different kinds. So you all know, you all have to do this work in your science copy. First you have to mention today's date, class work, number of the chapter which is chapter 5 and name of the chapter which is grouping materials of different kinds. After it you have to put a heading A, answer in detail. Question 1, you can see question 1. How will you identify materials based on their hardness? Give examples. So its answer, some materials cannot be pressed with hands or scratched or cut easily. Such materials are hard. For example, wood and glass. Materials which can be compressed with hands or scratched or cut easily are soft. For example, cotton and sponge. SPONG, sponge. Now, question 2. How will you decide whether a solid or a liquid will sink or float in a liquid? So, answer. When two materials such as a solid and a liquid or two different liquids are put together, the less dense material floats above the more dense material. The more dense substance sinks and settles down. Now question 3, you can see differentiate between transparent, translucent and opaque materials. So you don't have to write question 3 because you don't have to write this question because you have already done it in definition. Now next question, you can see explain the behavior of the following materials when added to water, and I made this question to question 3. Now answer. A, salt. Salt is soluble in water. B, sugar. Sugar is soluble in water. C, chalk powder, which is insoluble in water. D, sawdust. So sawdust is also insoluble in water. Okay, INSOLUBLE. Now E, sand. Sand is insoluble in water. F, kerosene oil. Kerosene oil is insoluble in water. Vinegar is soluble in water. H, lime juice is insoluble in water. I, cooking oil, which is insoluble in water. And milk, J, MILK, milk is soluble in water. Now answer briefly. You can see question 1. Why do you need to group or classify things around you? So its answer, we need to group or classify things around us because by doing this we can sort out among the different materials. Question 2. Name two substances which are soluble and two substances which are insoluble in water. So its answer, salt and sugar are soluble in water while sand and chalk powder are insoluble in water. Now question 3. What happens when chalk powder and sand are added to water? Why? So its answer, chalk powder and sand sink and settle down in water because their densities are more than water. Now question 4. What happens when salt and lime juice are added to water? So its answer, Salt is soluble in water because it dissolves or mixes completely in water, while lime juice is insoluble because it does not dissolve in water at all. Now question 5. What happens when kerosene, oil and cooking oil are added to water? Why? So its answer, kerosene oil and cooking oil float on water because we have to give answer of why. So because their densities are less than water. Now question 6. What is transparency? Transparency. So its answer, it is the quality or state of any substance of being transparent. Now question 7. Name 5 things made of the following materials. So cotton, first is cotton. Shirt, frock, sari, t-shirt, kurta, etc. can be made from cotton. Second is leather. So we can make belt, shoes, purses, bags, mat, etc. from leather. Third is paper. So we can make books, newspaper, copies, paper bags, invitation card, etc. from paper. Now fourth is metal. So paper clip, hair clip, ring, utensils, wire, etc. can be made from metal. Now fifth is wood, table, chair, desk, bed, doors, etc. is made from wood. Now question 8. Classify the following materials into transparent, translucent, translucent and opaque. So A. Glass window is transparent. B. Oily paper is translucent. C. Wood is opaque. D. Plastic used to cover books is transparent. E. Thin muslin cloth is translucent. F. Wall is opaque. G. Acrylic sheet is transparent. H. Frosted glass is translucent. I. Glass used in bathrooms is translucent. J. Metal sheet is opaque. K. Notebook is opaque. L. Butter paper is translucent. Okay class. So this chapter is now over for you. Now you have to revise this chapter because tomorrow is your science quiz of chapter 5 and this time you have to give science quiz by writing its answer in one page. You have to mention your name in that page also. After this you have to send this page in your group or you can send your page to me on WhatsApp. I will check your answer sheet and will tell your marks in your group. So that's all for today students. Thank you class.